All right, yes. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome right to my channel. Yes, and if you so have some time, please make sure that you give me that time so that we do something right here. And I'm going to be plating my mom, and I chose this hairstyle because I know it is very protective, and another thing, I know it can last longer, and something else, it is soft, and yet it is still it can be styled in all ways. So I would like you to give me your time, whatever you are, so that I can take you straight to this uh, these tutorials so that we can see how you can do these junky twist. So this time around we are going to be we did the puff cornrows, and our cornrows, we all know that we always do the inside cornrows because I told you that inside cornrows last longer than these other cornrows just because the hair grows from inside. So that's what I decided, and I made it to look puff. Yes, I made it to look puff, and this is how the twisting goes. Another thing, to those ones who've been asking on the material that I always use, this is the Afro kinky. Yeah, those ones who knows Afro kinky. This is the Afro kinky, and this time around I used a black, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to be trying to show you like how we do this, and this is how you just have to keep on locking it. And those ones who know how to twist, the twisting is just very fun. You can twist it that way. You can see how it looks. It is very lovely. So let's keep doing the twisting, and the white thing that you're seeing, that is our ant itch. Yes, like most of the times our mothers, they don't like plaiting hair. Like they feel it's uncomfortable for them because it keeps on sometimes it itches them, so they feel maybe if they cut off their hair, or maybe when they leave their hair they won't get all that. But when I'm doing my crochet, I make sure I put that anti-itchy so that it can help them a lot. And what I can say about these junky twists, trust me, they're very nice to those ones who have plaited them, and it's something that can be done to everyone, you understand. So this is how we just have to twist it, and this time around I decided to do it with all my students, and my students are the ones that are going to work on it, and let's try to see what do they got for me, because yeah, whenever I'm there they can do something that is good as I'm trying to direct them on how to do it. Shout out to everyone who is watching me, wherever you are, those ones in New York, United States of America, UK, Canada, Germany, Trinidad, those ones of uh, my people, my God, yes, those ones of United, it's Emirates, Oman, those ones of Oman, Abu Dhabi, Kenya, Nairobi, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Thank you so much for watching me, and this time around, let's try to see on these and how it looks, and trust me, you're going to love it. Yes, this time around I'm plating my mom, and when we're done doing that, we just have to make sure that we do the palm rods. The palm rods, this is how it's gonna be. The palm rods, you have to know the palm rod that you're going to use. Yes, because the palm rod, the bigger, the smaller, it's the curl that it gives you. So you just have to choose the palm roll that you're going to use so that you can maintain your curl, so that you can have all those curls. So this is how I'm going to be doing it, and trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it because it is very, very nice. And this hair is that she can be able to wash it. She can be able to wash it, and it looks lovely. Yes. All right, I can't forget. My God, this is very, very nice. Yeah, this is very, very nice, Judith from New York. Thank you so much for my gift. Yes, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Sometimes there's people who learn and appreciate, but thank you so much, yeah, for appreciating. And I thank everyone who have been with me ever since we started, and up to now we are here. Indeed, you're my good people. So this is how we're going to be doing our junkie twists and the palm rods. It's like this. And when you're doing the palm rods, you just have to know where you want them to stop according to the design that you want. I remember someone wanted to palm rod it up to the tip, up to from down up to the end. Then I asked her, how are you going to hot water them? Because that is very dangerous when you palm rod it that way, yet you're going to hot water. So when I told her that, then when she realized, so you just have to palm rod it according to how you're going to do them. So my people in Nigeria, Ghana, thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. May God bless you. So when we are done with this, you know what is next? We have to make our hot water. Yes, it's really supposed to be hot, just like, yeah, it's supposed to be hot. So yeah, indeed, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master. Yes, and now I opened up the Facebook, still Maurice the Crochet Master. You can go and follow and like, follow, share. Instagram Crochet Master. Yes, and Maurice the Crochet Master on Instagram, Maurice the Crochet Master on Facebook, and the Crochet Master on Twitter. So follow me. Those are my personal accounts. I like friends. I like sharing ideas, and I love you all. Yes, those ones who love me. Bye bye. Let me see you there.